Welcome back, everybody. We've made a lot of pizzas, but today I want to show you how to make a delicious cheesy garlic bread pizza.
Let's give it a try.
We'll start with our dough. I used, go figure, if you were a betting man, the Delalo dough kits. I use them all the time. Now, typically I put these in the refrigerator overnight. I made the dough, I divided it into dough balls, and I put it on the counter about 3.5, 4 hours. The instructions say 45 minutes on the countertop, but in 45 minutes, my dough didn't rise. So this is about 3.5 hours worth of rise. A little bit of 0-0 flour. Nothing's changed since the last time I brought you pizza. I'm still not a pizza making expert, but I still like good food, so we're getting it done. Try to stretch this out into something that's at least a 10, 11-inch pizza, maybe 12-inch pizza. This might be the first time I've ever thrown a pizza dough in my video. I think that's stretched out really nice. So let me show you what I'm doing in terms of garlic butter. I have a stick of unsalted butter on the griddle. You guessed it, the chunky garlic paste, my old standby. You could use fresh garlic, but this is probably the quickest and easiest way to impart that garlic flavor into my crust. Garlic butter onto my crust. You can make a garlic bread pizza as simple or as complex as you want. You can do a normal pizza and just do a garlic bread crust, but today we'll do something more along the lines of an actual garlic cheese bread pizza. Today we have a mixture of the fresh mozzarella and the Galbani whole milk mozzarella. We're gonna do both. I squeezed the moisture out of the mozzarella using a paper towel, so we'll space these out. I love this Galbani. It's hands down my favorite cheese, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of the Galbani cheese on there as well. I just can't get enough of this stuff. This would be delicious as is, but you know me, I always have to spice things up. We're going down with a little bit of dried oregano, some crushed red pepper, go with a little extra garlic powder. Since this is a garlic cheese bread pizza, we're on the Ligero today. You can see we're about 700, 800 degrees up top. Let's go ahead and open it, turn our stone off. Temperature all the way down and stone on. If you want, you can start your pizza with the door closed. Been about 1.5 minutes, looking really good. Oh yeah, cheese bubbling, looking mighty fine. I think it's been about 2 minutes. I'm gonna leave the stone off. We're gonna go in and take a look at that. Oh, mama. We'll put some fresh basil leaves on there. We'll make this look like garlic cheese bread pizza that we got at a Neapolitan pizza shop. Ooh-wee. So garlic cheese bread pizza or cheesy garlic bread pizza. It doesn't have to be complicated. The crust, the dough is going to be the star of the show. Look at that. And this is only a quick fermentation process on this as well. I'm almost afraid to cut into this pizza. It looks so delicious. Listen to this, by the way. Hopefully my microphone can pick that up. We'll take one last look. Everybody always wants to see underneath. Look at that gorgeous color. Let's go ahead and cut this pizza. And this is just 4 hours with that dough rising. Look at that. That is beautiful. Not bad at all. I'm very, very impressed. Let's go in there and give it a try. Don't want to talk with a mouthful. Cheese pull, incredible. Friends, I don't think I need to say this, but that tastes as good as I've ever done. The instructions said 45 minutes or until the dough balls doubled on the counter. 45 minutes, hour and a half, they did not double. They didn't double till it got to be about 2.5 or 3 hours. So just do whatever it takes. And my goodness, that is just out of this world. So been loving cooking in the Ligero. Hopefully you enjoy this recipe. We'll get it up for you at blackstoneproducts.com. A lot of different variables. You could certainly slice regular garlic on there. You could roast the garlic, saute it up on the Blackstone, put it on here afterwards. Lots of different options. You could do provolone with mozzarella, but this is a good basic option. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Please make sure you're watching all the shows on the Blackstone Network. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know the kind of pizza that you like or the kind of pizza you want me to make next. So until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the cheesy garlic bread pizza.